Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss sample paper. First question: the effect of ADHD can be seen on a child academic performance. When a child suffers from ADHD means attention deficit hyper disorders. It is a brain disorders marked by an ongoing patterns of inattentions, hyperactivity or impulsivity which affect a child academic performance. The main cause of sensory processing disorders is genetic factors, neurological factors, heredity factors, etc. All these are the factors of sensory processing disorders. When in sensory processing disorders, it is a brain disorders. The brain has trouble in receiving and responding the messages that come in through the sense. Which of the following ability of the athlete is tested by the zigzag run? Zigzag run tests the agility, means coordinative ability of a person. Which of the following is not a cause of sports injury? Age related cause, equipment selection related to poor technique, none of these. Which of the following is not a cause of injury? These all are the cause of injury. So the correct option is none of these. This is the ability to determine and change the position and movement of the body in different type of situation. Orientation ability. Orientation ability, differentiation ability. Orientation ability is the ability to determine and change the positions and movement of the body in different types of situation. Which organs of the alimentary canals is known as graveyard of red blood cells? Livers. White muscle fibers are better adapted to perform fast contraction. Which one of the following is not connected with the concept of motivations? Drive. Intramuros, not in your syllabus. BMI, that is body mass index, measure the percentage of fat in your body based on height and weight. Body fat calculated on the base of height and weight. BMI is equal to weight upon height into height. If a person has a BMI of 29.2, it means the person is overweight. Which of the following is contraindications of savasanas? None of this. Savasanas, it can be performed by all. Which are the specific sports program? Health run, run for fun, run for unity. These all are the specific sports program. Which among the following is not the cause of scoliosis? Scoliosis, it is the posture deformity in which the vertebral columns bend sideward. Above, one shoulders come downward and other shoulders is rise up. It may be due to carrying heavy weight on one side of the shoulders, overweight, etc. What are disability attitude? Disability attitude, it is a set of guidelines how to deal with a disabled person. So, correct answer is option D, both A and B. Treating disabled persons through care, educating normal people about the disability. The corrective measure for lordosis include performing Paschimottanasana. Lordosis, it is a posture deformity in which the lumbar spine is bent forward. Therefore, For its corrections, perform the backward bending exercise. In this, your lumbar spine bend forward. Therefore, perform the forward bending exercise like Paschimottanasana, toe touching, etc. What are the types of motor skill? Motor skills means the development of child's bones and muscles and ability to move around and manipulate in the environment. There are two types of motor skill: gross motor skill and fine motor skill. Gross motor skill means development of big muscles, and fine motor skill means development of small muscle. Which among the following are the benefit of Bhujanga Asana? Bhujanga Asana helps to improve the circulation of blood. Which of the following ability of the athletes is tested by zigzag run? Zigzag run helps to test the agility, means coordinative ability. It's balancing ability of a person. Which of the following is not the symptoms of food intolerance? None of this. Food intolerance, it is a condition when a person's has difficulty in digestions. It happens when we eat the foods often. It's come on gradually. It come on suddenly, etc. Which one of the following is not a micronutrients? Flavor compound. Flavor compound is not a micronutrients. Micronutrients are those nutrients which are required in small quantity. Vitamin, zinc, iron, this all are the micronutrients. Deficiency of which of the following nutrients cause weakening of muscles? Due to potassium. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a person who is classified as an endomorphic? Physically round. Endomorphic W.S. Selden classified the human personality into three types: endomorphic, mesomorphic, ectomorphic. Endomorphic means fatty persons, mesomorphic healthy persons, and ecto means lean and thin persons. What is food intolerance? It is two cause. Food intolerance means food intolerance when a person faces difficulty in digesting a particular food is known as food intolerance. It may be due to deficiency of enzymes which help to break down the food items, or it may be due to the presence of certain chemicals in the foods that can cause intolerance, like half-cooked beans, etc. Mention the aim of preparing diet for sports person. The aim of preparing the diet for sports persons are for maintaining their physical fitness, healthy body weight, to provide energy needed to perform various type of activity for proper growth and development of their body, to repair and replace the worn out tissue, etc., and helps in proper functioning of the organs, etc. Next is, which benefit make a Hasta Asana important to reduce obesity? Obesity means excess accumulations of fat in the body, and the benefit of Hastasanas are it stretches the body completely and provide good massage to the arms, spine, upper and lower back, etc. It stresses the organs of the stomach. It's help in tightening of abdominal organs, etc. Briefly describe any three causes of physical disability in people. Physical disability. The cause of physical disability may be due to genetic factors, environmental factors, or unknown cause like accident, injury, etc. Genetic factors, as genes are inherited, inheritance of a physical disability can occur from the birth. Cancers also cause disability. Heart attack, heart disease and stroke. Diabetes, it is a major cause of disability. Musculoskeletal disability like back pain, joint disorders, arthritis, etc. Disease, if the persons have disease, it affects the normal functioning of the body like lack of coordinations, blindness, deaf, etc. Malnutrition, if the persons are malnutrition, it is a big reason of disability. 1. Due to poisonous weapon, accident, heredity, etc. These all are the cause of disability. Disability means inability of a person to function his daily activity. Determine any three main cause of improper posture. Improper posture. Explain each cause in brief. Posture, it is a specific body positions, means balancing the body in an accurate manner, in such a manner that it causes least fatigue. Posture may be static or dynamic. Static like standing, sitting, and dynamic like running, walking, jumping, etc. And the cause of improper postures are due to accident. Accident may also cause improper postures. Disease, many times health problems also cause disease. Lack of nutritional diet, if the person has improper balanced diet, over diet or under diets, lack of nutrients also cause bad postures. Wrong posture habit, wrong sitting postures, standing postures, lying posture, etc. cause bad postures. Improper treatment, if the treatment is improper, then it causes bad posture. Psychological stress, if the person take psychological stress, mental tension, etc., then it causes psychological stress, then it causes bad posture. Lack of sufficient strength, if the persons have less strength, then it causes bad postures. Age factors is also the cause of bad postures. As the age increase, the strength of the persons reduce, which cause bad posture. Poor eyesight, due to poor eyesight, the body bend forward and it may cause bad postures. Bad shoes and clothes, in some case the wrong shoes, clothes, etc. may also leads to bad posture. What is the procedures of standing broad jump? Standing broad jump is used to measure the strength of the explosive strength of the leg. In this, first the athletes do a warming up. After doing warming up, the athletes stand behind the starting mark on the ground and the feet is slightly apart, and then he jump forward as much as possible. He will get 3 attempts and the best distance is measured for the evaluation. State the effect of exercise on respiratory system. What are the effect of exercise on respiratory system? First effect of exercise on respiratory system is hypertrophy of the heart. The size of the enlargement of the heart. The size of the heart increase which cause increase in stroke volume. Increase in cardiac output. If we do exercise, the cardiac output increase. Therefore, more blood is pumped out by the body. Resting pulse increase. With increase in cardiac output, the resting pulse increase. Therefore, the heart will not feel stress during the normal workout. Faster adaptations to working loads. When we do exercise, our heart quickly adjusts according to the requirement, according to the needs of the body. Returns to normal pulse quickly. Increase in hemoglobin. The hemoglobin contained in the red blood cells increase. Therefore, decrease in blood viscosity, decrease in density of blood, which helps in circulations of blood, which increase the circulation of blood throughout the body. Respiratory muscles become stronger. Increase in number of alveoli and pulmonary diffusions. Therefore, more oxygen. Therefore, faster removal of carbon dioxide from the blood. Maximum oxygen uptake. New capillaries are formed. Increase in tidal volume. Chemical composition in the blood increase. Exercise help to remove waste. It helps in fast removal of waste product from our blood. It helps in reductions of cardiac problems like heart attack, heart disease, etc. It helps in regulations of blood pressures, fast healing, etc. Differentiate between oxygen intake and oxygen uptake. Oxygen intake is the amount of oxygen which can be taken by the lungs from the atmosphere, and oxygen uptake is the amount of oxygen which can be consumed or absorbed by the working muscles from the blood. Okay, oxygen intake means the amount of oxygen which can be taken up by the lungs from the atmosphere, and oxygen uptake means the amount of oxygen which can be consumed or absorbed by the working muscle from the blood. State an example in brief the applications of Newton's law of motion in sports. Newton's first law of motion. First law of motion is also known as law of inertia. According to Newton's first law of motion, an object in rest will remain in rest, an object in motion will remain in motion at a constant velocity unless and until an external force is acted upon it. For example, if a football is placed in a penalty point, then it remain at rest unless a player kick the ball, and if the ball is moving, then it will continuously move in that directions unless the players had external force on it to stop. What are the characteristics of introvert personality? Introvert personality. Introvert personalities are described as people who share characteristics such as shyness. Okay, those persons who are introvert, they are shyness, social withdrawal, tendency to talk less. They live in their own internal world, less talkative, less social, unable to adjust in the social situations, future oriented, only thinking about the thinking, very sensible and rigid. These are the characteristics of introvert personality. Okay, introvert personality, according to Jung classifications, Jung classified the personality into two types, introvert and extrovert. Introvert personality, introvert peoples are self-conscious, less interest in the society, more interest in their own thought, idea. They do not friendly with others, less talkative. They do not make friends and keep in their own world, thought, etc. Differentiate between passive flexibility and active flexibility. Flexibility, it is the ability of joint to move in maximum range. Okay, flexibility, it is the ability of joint to move in maximum range. There are two types of flexibility: passive flexibility, active flexibility. Passive flexibility means ability of joint to stretch as much as possible with external help, like stretching with the help of partners, stretching by using any external object, etc. Active flexibility means ability of a person to stretch the joint as much as possible without any external help. It is of two types: static flexibility, dynamic flexibility. Static flexibility means performing flexibility from a fixed point. For example, chakrasana, forward bending, side bending. And dynamic flexibility means performing flexibility while in motion. For example, in gymnastics, etc. Next, state any 5 minerals in brief. First, in minerals, iron helps in the formations of hemoglobin. A deficiency causes anemia, and the source of irons are meat, egg, dry fruit, banana, green leafy vegetables, etc. Calciums help in the formations of strong bones, teeth, etc. And its deficiency causes rickets. Sources are milk, egg, cheese, green vegetables. Phosphorus helps in the development of strong bones and teeth. Its sources are egg, green leafy vegetables, cauliflower, milk, fish, etc. Potassium, its helps in growth and keeping the cells in the body healthy. Sodium, its help in proper functioning of the nervous system, etc. And the source of sodiums are table salt, butters, milk, meat, eggs, etc. What do you understand by non-nutritive component of diet? Non-nutritive components of diet are those diet which does not provide nutrients. Non-nutritive component of diet like waters, roughage or fibers, artificial sweeteners, preservatives, etc. These are the non-nutritive component of diet which does not provide nutrients, but it is important. For examples, roughage, that is fibers. Roughage, also known as fiber, it is an indigestible portion of the food. Okay, fibers, it is indigestible portion of food which is found in the plant-based food that cannot be digested. Okay, fibers come from the plant-based product. It cannot be digested but help in the digestions. But it's help in the digestions like nuts, fruits, etc. Waters, it is also non-nutritive component of diet. Approx 70% of waters in our body weight. Our body consists of 70% of waters. Waters help in regulating the body temperatures. It helps in the transportations of important nutrients, maintaining the body fluid, lubrications of joint, improve skin qualities, improve in digestions, etc. Artificial sweeteners, these are low calories. Artificial sweeteners, it provide the taste of sweet, and it is taken by the digestive persons. And preservative, it's help in preservations of food for a long time. What happens if a person is affected with an inward curvature of spine? What are its cause and corrective measure? A person is affected from the lordosis. A person's affected with the lordosis. In lordosis, the lumbar spine is bent forward. The body weight is shifted on the heel. Cause of lordosis. The cause of lordosis may be due to the overweight, obesity, weak abdominal muscles, etc. In this, our lumbar spine bend forward and shoulders come outward. Body weight is shifted backward over the heels, etc. And corrective measures are like Paschimottanasana, that is by doing forward bending exercise like Paschimottanasana, Halasana, forward bending, sit-ups, etc. What is the purpose of back stress test for senior citizen? Back stress test is used to measure the general range of motion of the shoulders. Okay, back stress test is back stress test is used to measure the general range of motion of the shoulders of the senior citizen. What do you understand by chair, sit and wrist test? Chair, sit and wrist test is used to measure the flexibility of the lower back. Suggests various external means or methods of motivations. motivating a person for better performance in sport. Motivation, it is a word motivations is derived from the Latin word mover. Mover means change, to change or to move. So motivation, it is a moving force, which it is a motivation, it is a moving force which energize an individual to do an activity to achieve their goal. Okay, motivations, it is a force which energize an individual to do the activity. There are two types of motivations: internal motivations and external motivations. And the technique of motivations are like by providing them reward, punishment, good quality equipment, good playground, healthy environment, good training, good coach, um, organizations officiating, safety means competitions, providing good and healthy competitions, etc. This all are the some methods to motivate the child.